Hey, I'm Sheldon over at RV Depot Supercenter in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. Today I'm going to be showing you the Tiffin Allegro bus 450 Cummins with a tag axle. It is super windy out today, so let's check out inside. Walking in, you got a nice screen door with automatic stainless steel steps. It is super windy outside, so let me talk about a couple more key points outside. It does have the full body paint all the way around, including the slide walls. It has a nice entertainment center outside with a big TV and tons of storage all the way around. On the outside, you have two huge slide out trays that go the full length. They both hold 1,000 pounds. This unit is a tag axle, 450 Cummins, plenty of power. It can pull about everything you need. This coach is going to look stellar wherever you choose to take it. Now let's take a look at the inside. So walking in, as soon as you walk in here, you got a nice captain's chair here that folds out into a recliner so you can relax while you're driving down the road. And then you have the driver's seat here, all real leather throughout the entire coach. There is tons of overhead storage in the cabin area with a big TV. Here you have a sleeper sofa that turns into a king bed. On this side, you have a jackknife sofa with a nice little ottoman there. You got a nice corner TV so you can see it no matter where you're at in the coach. Tons of storage everywhere, all the way around the inside. Granite countertops all the way throughout. LED lights on all the slides, both sides. I do want to point out the beautiful accent lighting and the decor of this beautiful motorhome. They definitely were paying attention to detail whenever they were building it. Here you have a nice countertop extender. Right next to it you have a dishwasher. Can fit just about everything you need in there. You have an electric stovetop. Everything in this coach is electric. There's no propane. So you got your electric stovetop there. A big convection microwave oven here. A countertop sink all in one, so they're all put together. There's no seams or anything like that. I don't know why, but this is one of my favorite parts of the whole coach. You have a little storage area that you can slide out here. Tons of storage in there. And then you notice the basket weaving backsplash. You got it there, and then also underneath the sink. Here you have a booth dinette that also turns into a bed. You have a Maytag side-by-side fridge with the freezer on the bottom. There is an ice maker in this one. Coming in here, you have your half bath. It also carries it over the backsplash, the basket weave backsplash. Lots of storage in the half bath area. You have your all electric control panel. This will control literally everything in the entire coach. You have your king size bed with the original comforter that came from Tiffin. Lots of storage overhead there. A nice ceiling fan inside here. A big TV. Lots of storage area throughout. Big dresser. You can fit just about everything you need in there. It's soft close cabinets. Lots of overhead storage. Coming inside the huge bathroom, you have your nice big shower. Has the granite inside and the basket weaving backsplash. You have your nice porcelain toilet here. And then his and her sink in the bathroom. And then this is what you call a true walk-in closet. You can open this up here. You got a washer and dryer. A hanging rack that goes all the way across the back of the coach. Shoe cubbies for all your shoes. This one even has a cool little safe as well. And then some more space here with drawers. This beautiful 2017 Tiffin motorhome is available right now here at RV Depot Supercenter in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. Call me at the number below if you're interested, or come out to the dealership and take a look in person. Thanks for watching.